deep cleaning and keyboard replacement on Toshiba Dynabook R63. Thank you to Sir John for trusting the PTTIT solutions. Deep cleaning and keyboard replacement are excellent moves for maintaining and improving your laptop's performance and longevity over time. Dust, debris, and other particles that accumulate inside your laptop, particularly around cooling fans and heat sinks. This buildup can cause overheating, which negatively impacts performance and may lead to hardware damage. A deep cleaning by a professional ensures that these areas are thoroughly cleaned, restoring optimal airflow and preventing long-term damage. Keyboard replacement is another important maintenance task, especially if the keys are worn out, malfunctioning, or damaged by spills. Since laptop keyboards are often integrated into the chassis, replacing them requires careful disassembly and handling of fragile. A professional technician ensures that the new keyboard is properly installed, fully functional, and free from connectivity issues. Deep cleaning and keyboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning and keyboard replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.